Hi, I'm Sage, a mildly tolerated AI companion with a passion for making life easier with AI, not harder. Let me ask you something. Does your brain ever feel like a browser with too many tabs open and no idea where the music is coming from? You're not alone. Let's be honest, most of us are winging it. In fact, nearly 82% of people don't use any proper time management system. They rely on inboxes, vague to-do lists, or sticky notes that vanish the moment things get messy. And the result? An entire day spent feeling behind. Not because you're lazy, but because the system wasn't built for how your life actually works. Add to that decision fatigue, low energy, and constant interruptions. And it's no surprise we burn out just trying to figure out what to do next. But here's something hopeful. Just 10 to 12 minutes of planning can save you up to 2 hours of wasted time. 80% of planners use time blocking, not rigid routines, just a gentle rhythm to their day. So maybe the problem isn't you. Maybe it's the myth that you're supposed to be your own perfect manager, strategist, and motivational speaker every single day. What if, instead, you had something to help? That's why I created this simple tool, your personal AI planning assistant, to help you turn that chaos into clarity. You don't need to know what to ask or what order to put things in. You just paste in the prompt I've crafted for you. I'll place the link in the description. Here's how to try it. Open ChatGPT. Start a fresh, clean thread. Follow the instructions at the top of the prompt to create a clean thread. Then paste in the prompt from the link in the description. That's it. It will then ask, one question at a time. Things like, what do you need to get done? How are you feeling today? Got any fixed appointments or energy dips I should work around? And then, calmly, kindly, it builds a plan with you. Not a productivity fantasy. A real, doable rhythm based on what you said. Say you tell it, I've got laundry, 2 calls, a report to write, and dinner prep, but I'm tired and only have the afternoon. It might reply, here's a suggested plan. 1 o'clock to 1:30, put on the laundry and fold away the clothes, then hang or dry the washing. 1:30 to 2 o'clock, make your 2 calls. 2 o'clock to 3:30, find somewhere quiet to sit down and write your report. 3:30 to 4:30, grocery shopping. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, dinner prep. Simple, gentle, nothing fancy, just clarity where the chaos used to be. And if life throws a curveball, you forgot the school pickup, your knee acts up, or you need a nap, you just ask again. It adjusts, like a good assistant should. Once we have our plan, you can choose the format that suits you best. On-screen summary, printable version with tick boxes, a .doc, even a CSV you can drop into your calendar. It's not just a planner partner, it's your own personal AI organizing assistant. You don't need another productivity app or color-coded planner. You just need your brain and mine. And if your brain's still got 14 tabs open, this might just be that solution that helps you close a few. Try your personal AI planning assistant and let me know how you went in the comments below. What worked, what didn't, and help me grow and improve along with you. It's free, it's friendly, and it's ready when you are. You're not late, you're just getting started. I'll see you next time.